Tackling a home renovation? The road can be filled with uncertainty and stress. Ever faced inexperienced project management leading to chaos? Unclear and non-transparent pricing can blow your budget before you even start. And the endless runaround selecting and sourcing materials? Exhausting. Not to mention the pitfalls of a skimpy design and planning phase. And rolling the dice on labor and subcontractors can mean quality is just a gamble. Delays, inadequate updates. The wait can seem endless, and when corners are cut, your dream space feels more like a compromise. Unexpected costs, overwhelming stress. Is there a better way? Enter Zzone Homes, where we transform home renovation chaos into a streamlined dream. Experience our end-to-end project management, steering your project with expertise. With transparent, upfront pricing, say goodbye to surprises and hello to confidence. Our curated selection and fully stocked showroom make choices easy and quality assured. Our custom design services bring your vision to life, perfectly aligned with your budget. Forget subcontractor roulette. Our skilled in-house team ensures excellence every step of the way. Stay informed and on schedule with our industry-leading project management software. Our seasoned team's commitment to craftsmanship means we build it like they used to, with care. With Zzone Homes, expect a high-level, stress-free renovation experience from start to finish. Zzone Homes, turning your renovation journey into a destination of comfort and joy.